Hey, Becky Hart here, streaming live with Channel 7. We are at Hog Creek boat landing, a mile from Hell's Gate Canyon, and we had 17 inches of rain in the past 24 hours. We did 7 inches of rain. We have mass flooding throughout the region. We have about 4 places in Merlin that has flooded, and they are taking out insurance claims. They are. It's tumultuous day here in Southern Oregon. As you can see to my left, that we have logs floating down. We haven't seen anybody. No, there's been no drownings to date, or to this hour there's been no drownings. We have seen no life-saving boats that float by. We have a lot of devastation here in Southern Oregon. KTVU, Becky Hart, signing out. Good day.